What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So it's my daughter's phone. She dropped it a couple times and both sides are cracked, and we just wanted to know if it can be fixed. Right, Billy?
Wow. Don't worry. I got you.
All right.
It's water damage as well.
Hey, Ice. There you go, Ice. Let him snack on that one. There you go, buddy. Good job. Oh, beautiful dog. Ice.
Surgery time. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at this now.
Wow.
Now it's good to go.
Looks brand new.
Sure does. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
like a brand new phone.
Brand new. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.